Still, if you told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am.
It is late, the bar's closed, the grill's off. The last customers have gone home, and now it's just me and this motorcycle in the city of Medellín laid out in front of me in the dark. This is my ride home, the one I've taken hundreds of times. Down the hill from Aranjuez, a neighborhood that most people who visit Medellín never see. And back through the city to Laureles, that's where I live. So I want to take you with me tonight because there's something about riding through a city at night that strips everything back to what is real. No traffic, no noise, no performance. It's just a road and your thoughts and a city that never fully sleeps. This is Medellín at night, and this is my life. So there's moments when you get on the highway here in Medellín at night where the city opens up around you completely. Lights climbing the hillsides in every direction. The mountains invisible in the dark, but you know where they are there. You can feel them. It's one of those moments that stops you from taking your life for granted. Listen, I've lived between the United States and Colombia for 23 years. I've made this ride in the rain, in the heat, after good days, and even the hard ones. And every single time I get on this highway at night, I feel the same thing, gratitude. Not the kind you write in a journal or a post on social media, the quiet kind. The kind that just sits with you in your chest while you ride. It reminds you that you made a decision a long time ago that most people said was crazy. And it led you here, to this road, to this life, to this city. So I own a small bar in Aranjuez. It's only 6-7 tables, an outdoor patio, a big commercial grill that makes real authentic Colombian food called picadas, steak, chorizos, ribs. It's not a big operation, but it's mine. I built in a country that is not my birthplace. It's not my first language. It's in a neighborhood that most foreigners never enter. And every night when I close this bar and get on this motorcycle and ride through home, through Medellín, I feel what it means to have built something real. In the United States, I had a different kind of life. It was busier, structured, definitely more stressed, more recognized by the systems around me. So, but I did not have this. I did not have the feeling of riding through a city at night that you genuinely chose. Not a city you ended up in by default, not a neighborhood you moved to because it was convenient. A life you built on purpose, piece by piece, year by year, decision by decision. That feeling is worth more than anything I left behind. So I've been in Colombia for 10 straight months right now without leaving. 10 months of motorcycle rides, taking classes, getting my license. 10 months of bar nights, of tutoring a little girl in English on Friday afternoons as a hobby, of watching national soccer games on a projector screen with neighbors who have become like family. 10 months of waking up to wild parrots outside my window in my other video and falling asleep to the sound of a city that's always alive. So I'm heading to the United States tomorrow to see my son and my daughter. My son is 21, my daughter's 17. I haven't seen them in 10 months. That distance is the hardest part of this life, and I will not pretend otherwise. I mean, living between these two countries means you're always missing someone, always. I've learned to carry it. I've learned to make the time that I have together with them count more than most parents ever do, because I know how precious it is. It's very precious. But tonight, this last ride home before the flight, I want to feel every second of this city, every light, every turn, every familiar stretch of road that has become part of who I am. So I'm writing this voiceover right now from Charlotte, North Carolina, sitting in my best friend's house that I've known for over 40 years. I'm listening to a silence that feels completely different than the silence of Medellín at 2 a.m. America is familiar, comfortable in ways I always recognize when I come back, but it does not feel like home the way Medellín does anymore. And I think that's the most honest thing I can tell you about the 23 years of building a dual life actually produces. You know, you stop belonging completely to either place. You become something in between. A person, I would say, who carries two worlds inside them simultaneously. And I wouldn't trade that complexity. I wouldn't change that complexity for anything. So if you're watching this in the United States right now, wondering if a life like this is possible, I want you to know that it is. It doesn't require perfection. It doesn't require a certain age or income or set of circumstances. It just requires a decision. I made mine 23 years ago on a road not unlike this one. So please subscribe to Dual Life Colombia. The link to work with me one-on-one is in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Good night from Medellín and good night from Charlotte.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well, if you told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. But I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes. So you can wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of liars. And I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Did I remember, don't worry. How could I ever forget? It's the first time, the last time we ever met. But I know the reasons why you keep your silence up. No, you don't fool me. Though the hurt doesn't show, but the pain still grows. It's no stranger to you and me. And I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well, if you told me you were drowning, friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes. So you can wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies. And I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Did I remember, don't worry. How could I ever forget? It's the first time.